Welcome to Shaheen's Kitchen. This is a pickle which I have learned when I was a small girl in class 5th. My South Indian friend Ramalakshmi used to bring it and it is very tasty. So come and see how to prepare tamarind pickle. This is fresh tamarind, green tamarind. Scrape it and I have slit down, took out the seeds from it, and now I am going to run it in a mixer to a coarse paste. This is fresh tamarind, green tamarind. Scrape it and I have slit down, took out the seeds from it, and now I am going to run it in a mixer to a coarse paste. Now I am adding garlic to it, lots of garlic. We can add salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, and turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to it, and run it. Coarsely ground now. We have to grind red chillies also. I could not get the fresh red chillies. We can also use the dried ones. I could not get the fresh red ones, so I am using the dried chillies. See, the chillies are also coarsely grounded. Now, once again, add this paste. These are curry leaves or methi neem. We can grind it with tamarind and chili flakes, or we can use it while seasoning. I am putting some of the leaves so that it will get a nice flavor. This is very spicy and tangy pickle. And now we have to prepare our seasoning. These are veins of tamarind. I have tried to clean as much as possible, but still if you find them, remove them. And now, because it is a pickle, you will need about half a cup of mustard oil or any oil which you like, but pickles prepared in mustard oil taste better. Heat it. Yes, the oil is hot. Add mustard seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin or zira, 1/4. And this is hing. It will melt. Hing or asafoetida. These are rest of the curry leaves. And this is gram dal or chana dal, 1 tablespoon. It gives a crunchy texture to the pickle. And this is urad dal, washed. And we have to fry this on slow flame till the dal becomes reddish in color. See, the dal is ready. Put off the flame. You can also fry your, and now finally add oil to the paste of tamarind. Pickle is ready. Do try and let me know how did you like it.